whatever's happening right now, I cannot get it into gear at all. I'm gonna try again. I had to force it into gear, but I was able to get it into the gear. Let me try moving a little bit forward in first. Did you hear that noise? And there's some vibration on the clutch pedal as well. I tried to move a little forward and you can hear that squealing noise, that grinding. I wouldn't say it's grinding, but this. Let's try again. Almost as if there's some sort of rattling or something. I'm not really sure what's going on here. So hopefully you guys can help me out. Thanks again.